Good morning, guys. I know we didn't really see this last night, but this is the view that we have. Folks, this is day 2 of the Nantou Sketches tour, and I'm in a fix right now. It's either watching Men in Black or sketch the bus driver. You know what? I'll do both. There's a screen right there. Just want to say how awesome this bus is. Not only there's entertainment, there's free Wi-Fi, there's a sink there for water, hot and cold in case you get really thirsty. This is a double-story bus. All the passengers are on the second floor, and only the bus driver is on the ground floor, excluding me because I'm making this sketch right now. And it's overall super comfortable. It's the symposium all over again in Amsterdam!
Have we missed it? We have a little windmill for those who were not there.
More stamping, guys, and this is the 7-Eleven. Guys, we are in sheepland, or some sheep theme park. We had to sanitize our hands before coming in because really there is sheep in here. Check it out. And we've been given like pellets. Get ready for some bad jokes. Oh no. Okay, first one up. Why did the sheep cross the road? To prove he wasn't chicken. Just made that up. So guys, this really reminds me of Wexford when we're painting cows and sheep.
发现这里空气非常的棒，然后环境很漂亮，他就随口吟了一首诗啊。
is the windmill that we're supposed to hike down towards. So it's gonna be a gradual walk down, 30 minutes, 40 minutes maybe. Ooh. So if you guys are longing for that country trip or that rural vacation, this is an option here in Nantou. A few people know about this place, but it's here in the middle of Taiwan, right next to Taichung, another big city. Here you really get to chill and slow down and de-stress and be with nature. Alright guys, we're heading to the skywalk. 谢谢. This last leg will take us all the way to where lunch is. It's light time. Hey guys, 吃饭了。Alright guys, guess what? This is the highest Starbucks restaurant at 1,743 meters in the world. And we're here, yes, after lunch. Cheers. Hi guys, there's a demo right now and it's in Korean. That's why there are only 2 people there, because these are the only 2 Korean-speaking sketchers in this event. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. This is one of the better wines, local wines from Taiwan, and where we are is just a place where they sell. The brewery is over on the other side. Over there, the red building there, that is the, they call it 酒厂. This is where they manufacture the wine. Wine egg.
Pucker type.
Pucker.
Which means you can't fully fill it, but you know, it's easy to
squeeze, yeah. 全部都是从新加坡来的。
这边的350，这边的380。
Okay guys, this simply illustrates, pun intended, that tools like that are more important than even alcohol. Yeah, or buying wine for us artists. Okay, so this wraps up day 2. We've had just too much to eat. Thank you so much for taking good care of us. You know, it's very Asian to feed people, because that is a sign of taking care of your neighbors, your visitors, your friends. But just when we think we're done, another plate of food comes to our table. And, look at my damage. I was given 2 fish heads to complete, and I love that because nobody really eats that part of the fish, but it's really crunchy and yummy where the cheeks are. So Alvin Mark here from, I think we're in Nantou, but we're in Puli still, by heading back over to our accommodation until tomorrow. Ciao ciao guys.